Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up the out-of-office status in Asana. This feature is perfect for when you're unavailable, whether you're on vacation, at a conference, or taking a personal day. It allows you to let your team know you're away and helps manage notifications during your absence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your admin dashboard where you can manage your tasks, projects, and profile settings. Step 2. Navigating to your account settings. Now, let's set up the out-of-office status. To do this, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen to open the profile menu. From here, click on My Profile Settings. This will bring you to the page where you can manage all your personal preferences, notifications, and account details. Step 3. Setting your out-of-office status. In the Profile Settings section, you'll see an option for Out of Office. This feature is similar to the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, but in Asana, it allows you to mute notifications and let your team know you're not available. Click on the Out of Office option to activate it. Once activated, you'll be able to customize your settings. You can enter the dates for when you'll be away, so your team knows when to expect your return. Step 4. Customizing your away status. You'll also have the option to send a push notification while you're away. You can write a custom message to inform your team of your absence, such as, "I'm currently out of the office and will be back on date. Please contact alternative team member if you need immediate assistance." This way, anyone trying to reach you will know when you're back and who to contact in your absence. While you're away, Asana will help manage your notifications so you're not overwhelmed with updates. But you can also choose to completely snooze notifications for the time being. This means you won't receive task reminders, project updates, or any other notifications until you're back. Step 5. Verifying your status. Once you've set your out-of-office dates and message, you're all set. Your out-of-office status will be visible to your teammates, so they know you're unavailable. You can always come back and update your status if your plans change. And that's it. Setting your out-of-office status in Asana is a simple way to manage expectations while you're away and reduce unnecessary distractions. Whether you're on a break or handling a personal matter, this feature helps ensure your tasks and notifications are appropriately managed. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and personal information, is used for the sake of the tutorial. Make sure you use your own personal information when setting up your account settings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and productivity hacks, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.